Howdy y'all, this is K1 Locks, and today coming to you with this easy dose. This is the, it's an easy dose locking container, and I'll show you what this guy does here. It's a tubular lock, which we all know and love so well. Opens it up, and there's your prize. So, what we're going to do now is we are going to pick this thing and see if our bypass tools work with it. Be right back. Be right back. All right, we got it all set up in the vise, and as you can tell, it is a tubular lock. Here's the key with the bitting on it, which is pretty interesting here because it's really super short here on these three. Then you have these three that are super cut deep, and then this one is cut kind of medium. Still trying to figure out the internal workings of it, but let's go ahead and see if we can't use our bypass key to open this guy up. Okay, first what we do with our tool is we reset it, and then because these pins are sticking up a little too far, what we want to do is go ahead and set those so they're all even. Then let's go ahead and see if we can't get this sucker open. You do have to be a little careful with this. You don't push those pins in too far, initially anyway. Oh, I turned it too far. Oh, we got it. Nice. That opens it up for us. So, which should mean that our key is supposed to be able to work and lock this back up, but it's not right now for some reason. But that's okay. We did get it open. There we go. We got it open. Winner, winner, chicken dinner, it looks like. So this is an actual key to it, or it should be anyway. There I go, screwing up the video now. Anyway, we did get it open. I'm happy with that. So thank you so much. What we're going to do is we're going to take our bypass tool here. We're going to reset it. And then since these are sticking out a little too far here, we want to zero this out. Now, very carefully, we're going to put this inside of the lock. Making sure to not have any of these arms and we get it. Looks like we got it open, folks. Perfect. Well, it didn't take too long for our little bypass tool to work for us. Our little key, as it were. So, thank you guys so much for sticking around and watching this till the end. I really appreciate it. I did want to show you that this thing does actually work. I took it out. I'm probably not going to now, but what I discovered before is I wasn't putting it in straight. Anyway, it does unlock. You can use it to unlock it and relock it. So it is a working key, or it was anyway. I got it unlocked now. It probably won't lock again. You gotta be super, super careful too when you're putting this in here. I mean, literally, because you have to. I'm gonna stop right there. This is the first lock I've ever actually gotten to open with one of these, so I don't know, man. I worked at it for a little while, finally got it. This lock, I mean, and you all were witness to that. So I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, y'all. This is K1 Lock saying be safe, be legal, and be the lock.